met you though, she call me Poppy.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are back here in my beautiful garage and we got a little project to do. Don't mind this stuff, but we're working on the headers, guys, and things are getting real. Like flame map. Now I'm gonna tell you guys something. When you get these headers, if you do not want heat in the front of the car, like heating up your engine bay, like super hot, you know, like the OEM ones come with a heat shield and things like that so it doesn't get hot. To not have so much heat on the headers, you gotta coat them or wrap them. Now they say if you wrap these, you guys already know, like that titanium wrap thing that you just wrap is like a gold color or whatever. Now if you use that, they say sometimes the headers crack, but if you ceramic coat them, they won't. And they come in colors. You can ceramic coat in colors, but the only problem with that is expensive. So I mean, probably for these two, these are pretty small. It's like $250 or whatever it is. I was gonna do it, but the guy that I was talking to was in Tampa, and then the other people around here didn't do it, or they only did like wheels, for example, or something like that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this into our own hands, and I don't think most of you guys would want to spend probably like what, 300, 400, 500 on headers, and then spend another 200 to 300, 400 whatever on getting them ceramic coated, and you probably don't want them to crack, right? So what we did is, what we're going to do, we went to AutoZone. We got this VHT flame proof, we got a primer, whatever, blah blah. Yeah, we got this, but we got this flame proof header paint. It says right here ceramic coating, so it's supposed to withstand up to from 1300 to 2000 degrees Fahrenheit. So this should work. We got like in a little silver color or whatever. I was gonna go white or blue, but we didn't do that. So for you guys, I'm gonna risk it. I don't know if, I mean, it should retain heat. I've seen like a lot of videos people say it works, but we're gonna do this with a little touch. So we're actually gonna be wrapping the headers too. I know they say it might crack, but if it cracks, oh well, my fault. I should have listened to other people, but maybe in the future once we work on the car. But to be honest, it's worth a try. I can let you guys know how it works, and if you guys like it or want to try it when you get your headers, you can do it. If not, just get them ceramic coated. But this is for you guys. This is a DIY on pretty much how to do it. The first step that we're gonna do is we're gonna sand them down a little bit, just like, I don't know, just like to get like a little rough or whatever. Get like this, I don't know, get a little rough, and then once we're done with that, we're gonna clean it. You guys seen this when I painted my brakes. It's like a degreaser, wax remover, things like that. So I'm gonna use that, clean it up. Then we're gonna hit it with this. Then we're gonna hit it with that, and we chilling. So let's get that started already. Probably won't show this one too much, but guys, you're just gonna wanna like scuff it up a little bit. It's just like the paint can bond with this or whatever. So I probably should have gotten a better one, but hey, it is what it is. Worst case scenario, forget about it, clean it up, just paint it. Boom, we're done. Yeah, I don't think this is working. The only problem is this thing looks so pretty, like the way it is, like, but nah, I'm not trying to have too much heat in my engine bay. Alright, you guys get the idea, but I'm gonna just keep going and I'm gonna show you. Honestly, it'll just look like that. Like, you can see a difference, like kind of scuffed up. Yeah, you can feel it kind of, like with the gloves. I'm wearing gloves because I don't want to touch it. I don't want to like get stuff in my hands or whatever, so. Oh, you can see a difference, listen. Right? Now listen. Definitely has grease all over it, so. Scuffing it up is working, so let's keep doing that. You guys can already see the difference. Like, you can see this was more like a, I don't know if you can, in the camera it showed like a little bit grayer. I don't know, this one just like clear, glossier. You can see like the difference. It's like all scuffed up, scratched up. Guys, hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, if you like what I'm doing. DIY, risking myself, risking the headers, risking it cracking, risking everything. Also, while you're at it, just go down below, probably to like the right a little bit, and hit subscribe. All right, they're both done. So now I'm gonna hit it with this degreaser type of wax remover thing. So just to clean it up, give it a nice, you know, I gotta change my gloves. Look at this, like this is all from there. Look at the difference. So let's clean it up a little bit. Oh shit. So make sure you guys get like all the dust, all the stuff off. All right, like I told you guys, I used the clear tape. Unfortunately, I forgot the other one, but tape this off, tape that off, tape this off, and just like that. It's oh shit, oops. It's still a good tape, so it works. You know, like wow, like freaking flames coming out the back of this car. Oh, I just can't freaking wait. All right, let's go. Shook the can. So let's just go with like light coats first. See, damn. Then it's like hella windy, but that's what it's looking like so far. It's like a flat, matte, black or gray or whatever. But that's what it's looking like so far. This is just like a primer, the base. The other one should be like a little more grayish or metallic or whatever you want to call it. Also, you heat treat this, so if you guys don't heat treat it, it might not come out good, but we're gonna try our best to heat treat it. Yeah, the instructions like on the bottle and stuff like that. It's like 300 degrees, something for like 30 minutes or whatever. This is what we got so far. It looks pretty good. Next step, I'm gonna take this off. Take like the tape off, whatever, so it doesn't melt, because we're gonna heat treat it. This is my heat gun right here. Then it's gonna act like an oven, and I'm gonna put it, probably like make a hole, put it in there, leave the heat gun a little bit, and hopefully it works, and let's see. I don't know. You guys like my little oven? So we're using like the bug stuff and then that. And we got this thing right here. 214 degrees inside right now. Supposed to be at 250, but I don't know if I can figure something out. So it's for 30 minutes. That's what I'm doing. I got my heat gun and I got a box. And inside the box are both headers. So ghetto, I know, but I guess it's gonna work. All right guys, we're done coating it pretty much. So honestly, it's like mated to the metal. Yeah, we kind of messed up here, but it's okay. Before, I used to go like this and it can like peel, but now I can't. Like, it looks like it came like that. So we got this, and like I told you guys, we're gonna wrap it too for more heat protection. So we got this. I forgot the material, but this is a good one. There's a DEI one, and then there's this one. I got this one Amazon. It comes with a 2-pack. So it comes with this one. And there's another one in there, so I got 2. And it also comes with these little metal things. That's what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna leave a link to this in the description if you guys wanna buy one. So you can wrap your exhaust, your headers, your white pipe, whatever you want, for heat and better flow. So let's go get it. I am gonna suit up because we're actually gonna wet it. We gotta take it out the paper. I got water in here, we're gonna put it in the water. And I gotta suit up with like something, with like some gloves and stuff, because this stuff can get pretty itchy. This stuff can get pretty itchy, so, and then we're gonna wrap it. So we're gonna do this, we're gonna take it off, take it out, whatever. And we're gonna let it soak. Yeah, we're gonna let it soak for a little bit. Reason why we're letting it soak is because so that itchy part, the itchiness, is pretty much not there. Like less flakes, less everything. So it should work better, and honestly it will dry up, so it's no problem. Stretch it a little bit. We're gonna pass the top. Once I pass that top, I'm gonna get my zip tie. Yeah, I say we need like probably this much. So let's just cut it. can see right here, so like it has these little not sharp, but these little things that fly off. It's like all over my hands. Try not to get them on me, so, but it's like on my hands and things like that. So just be careful, because it's really itchy. It'll make you itchy for like the next week. So honestly guys, that's all you gotta do pretty much. And then we're just gonna keep wrapping these and this, and then we're just gonna do the whole thing. I think I should have cut more. I probably could have wrapped it a couple more times. All right guys, so for my first try, I don't think it's that bad. Kind of messed up a little bit right here, but I think we can fix that. I don't know, we'll see. Honestly, for our first time, I don't think it's that bad. We still gotta do that one, but I think this one's done. Like, that's it. This one's pretty much done. So I'm gonna just leave it at that, guys. You already know how to do it. You guys saw it. A little more difficult than I thought it would be, cause it starts frailing. But yeah, that's it guys. That's all I got. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Got my gloves on. We gotta clean this up, cause we gotta go. We're gonna finish that another time. But you guys already know the process. I took off, or actually, like I got loose the manifold, or what you want to call it. I don't know if you guys can see it from here. I really can't get in there. Yeah, I really can't get in there, but I loosened it. I got the bolts right here. I just got one more holding it.